Hey guys, what's up? I'm Queen and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you'll stay and that you will subscribe. In today's video, we're gonna be painting this wall with this chalkboard black paint by Fire and Ice. I've been wanting to make a feature wall for some time now, and with this wall apparently you can write on it. It's basically like a chalkboard, and me being the creative that I am, who doesn't want to draw on walls? So yeah, you guys, I hope that you'll enjoy, and let's get straight to the video.
not the time for you to stop dreaming. You got to believe it. You are stronger than you know you can do it. Hold on, never give up. Everything is gonna be alright. Hold on, never give up. You got to keep on going. Something's got to give. You got to keep on going. Something's got to give. Everything is gonna be alright.
Hey guys, welcome back to day 2 of painting. Yesterday I did the first coat, but what I also did was I took the remaining paint and then waited for it to dry for about 20 to 30 minutes and then finished up that paint on the wall because I didn't want to like transfer it back into the container, you know. So because I did that, it looks really black. It looks like it has 2 coats on, but it's actually 1 coat, you guys, because this little liter says that it covers about 8 square meters of coverage, and mine is about obviously less than 8 square meters. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna go on over with the second coat. It's the following day because I had to wait 6 more hours, and after 6 hours it was pitch black outside, so I just decided to do it in the morning. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna go over with the second paint. I'm not gonna use the whole paint because most of this wall is covered already. I'm just gonna use a tiny bit. So yeah, let us get straight to it. It is day 2 of painting.
Never
guys, it's the following day and I have let this thing dry for a few hours now and it turned out looking great. I even posted a few of my projects over here because I want this wall to be like my real life mood board, you know. So yeah, right now we're gonna put the paint to the test. I actually bought some chalk, so I just want to scribble down and then let's see how it turns out. Hey guys, so we've come to the end of the video and I absolutely love my wall. As you can see, it's my new backdrop. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop down your comments, suggestions, give this video a like if you want to. Any questions that you want to know about how I felt about the painting experience, please drop them down below and I'll make sure that I get back to you. But then yeah, I really enjoyed this process. It took a little bit longer. I think I divided it into like 3 days, but that's only because I wanted to make sure that it is like really dry so that I don't have to go back to it later on. But then yeah, you guys, from me to you, thank you so much and I will see you next time. Bye.